Inside the box, you'll find the B300K expansion battery, a P090A battery expansion cable, a warranty card, and a user manual. Everything needed to enhance your power experience. The B300K measures 20.67 inches long, 12.87 inches wide, and 8.23 inches tall, with a weight of 65.04 pounds. It's lighter than the B300 by 14.56 pounds and heavier than the B230 by 17.04 pounds, striking the perfect balance. With an impressive capacity of 2,764.8 watt-hours, the B300K keeps you powered through a full day of heavy use, ideal for home emergencies, road trips, or camping adventures. Inside, the B300K features lithium iron phosphate battery technology with a key upgrade, prismatic automotive-grade cells. This means even better performance and safety. Just press and hold the power button to turn the B300K on or off. The LED indicator shows you the remaining power and the battery status. Use this USB port to charge your phone, tablet, or other devices. The B300K comes with 2 expansion ports, allowing for additional power. It's compatible with various BLUETTI power stations, including the AC200 series, and fits perfectly with the AC300 and AC500 models. Plus, it's future-ready for upcoming BLUETTI models. For emergencies, outages, or long trips, the B300K paired with the AC200 Max or AC300 provides all the power you need. Setting it up is a breeze. Just plug it in and lock it into place. The B300K also works with other BLUETTI expansion batteries like the B210, B230, B300, and B300S, offering even more flexibility. Keep in mind, there's a limit to how many expansion batteries you can use with each power station. Be sure to check the maximum number allowed for your specific model.